Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. If you have the Safe2Dock modular docking system and want to attach the Safe2Dock Fenders, watch this video for an alternative attachment system.
This is just an interest piece for anybody that's got an Safe2Dock system, which is a floating dock system, and that's what we're standing on right now. And the interesting thing with Safe2Dock is that every so often, 36 inches or so, don't quote me on that, there are two molded in bolt holes for 5/16 inch bolts. So those positions aren't perfect for attachment of the Safe2Dock fenders. And these Safe2Dock fenders are 300 millimeters long, so about 9 foot or so. And they have 5 D-rings on them, and I needed a way to attach these to the dock. So what we did is we looked at how can we create a wire structure to allow us to attach at whatever position we need to attach. You can see here we used the Suncor Quick Attach, and what we did, sort of a unique way of doing it, these are eye bolts, stainless steel eye bolts of the appropriate thread. Then we 3D printed these brackets that have a rounded bulbous edge here so they don't damage the fenders, and that keeps the fenders from flipping up. And it also adds structural support to the ends of the wire connection so it doesn't pull it out of the deck. So we're really supported in both spots here. But then we've run 3/16 inch stainless steel wire from Sailrite with the Suncor part on this end. We put the turnbuckle on the opposite end, and we'll go down there. And you can see then that we added additional, because you don't need this wire to be super tight, we added additional eyes all the way down. And then to attach the fenders from the stainless steel D-rings, then these are 400-pound zip ties, outdoor rated, and every season when we pull the fenders in, those will get replaced. But it's an easy and inexpensive way of attaching the fenders to the dock, to the stainless steel wire. So coming down this way, so at this end we have the quick attach Suncor turnbuckle to apply tension to the wire. And the other thing that's interesting to note about this is a real easy DIY because these are, need to tighten that one up, because these are swedgeless. So they're just basically, there's a collet inside here that when you tighten it, clamps down on the wire and keeps it from moving. As far as these 3D printed parts go that add the strength that I wanted for these two eye bolts, we will include in the description the file for the 3D design for this if you want to put them on. Now that it's in place, I don't think they would ever flip up. The cleats, and if nothing else, would keep them from flipping up. But if you want to do them, you can do it. Otherwise, you're going to need some form of a plate here in order to give you the strength that you need.
This is a list of the materials that we used. From all of us here at Sailrite, thanks for watching.